Two more grain ships left Ukraine today under a UN-brokered deal for safe passage out of the war zone. It comes not a moment too soon for people suffering years of drought in the Horn of Africa. The UN's World Food Programme today issued an urgent appeal to feed more than 20 million people it says are now in danger of starvation. Lewis Warner reports.
For 4 years now, the rainy season in Somalia just hasn't arrived. Left ravaged with drought, close to half of its population is now classed as acutely food insecure. Hundreds of thousands already face famine-like conditions, forced to survive by eating goat's feet and boiled reeds. The World Food Programme says this region cannot wait for rain or help any longer.
We're now looking at 20 million people marching to starvation here in the Horn of Africa. In fact, where I stand in Somalia, 7 million people, and that's twice as many as it was just 6 months ago. Why? Conflict, extremist groups, coupled with the driest season that we have seen in decades.
With forecasts now warning of a potential 5th consecutive failed rain season, countries in the Horn of Africa are desperate for assistance. Some is coming. The first grain shipment allowed to leave the war zone in Ukraine has got as far as Turkey, where it was met by the UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres. It's carrying 23,000 metric tons of grain, and the US announced today it would pay for another 150,000 tons. But the World Food Programme says a wider global effort is needed. Here they are used to waiting for rain. Now they wait for the world to help. Lewis Warner, ITV News.